Hello, I'm going to do a shimmering gold eye look. I'm going to do the base as well, but just like going to roughly go through that. First thing we do, lip balm, Vaseline, something you know works on your lips. Really softens the nail product, like lip gloss and lipstick. Not good for them unless it's moisturized. Then we like it. I'm gonna do, I use Maybelline Pure Foundation Mineral in powder shape. I'm just gonna take my oh, that didn't sound good. Okay, just take my kabuki brush. If you think that color doesn't match my skin tone, because the saleswoman gave me the wrong one. And I didn't notice the light till yesterday. It's kind of more brownish than my skin tone. Yeah, and maybe it's a little rough. My blush from The Body Shop, it's called Blush and Daisy. I really like it. It looks prettier when you get it, but I'm using a kabuki brush for this as well. But after you use the blush, make sure you clean it, because otherwise you can get like blush all over your foundation next time you use it. Kind of a bronze effect. Oh my god, that's kind of right on my cheek. I'm going to take my brush and like here, that does not look good. I'm actually going to take my powder puff and just blot excess off if I can. Yeah, please. Yeah, okay, so let's get started on the eye. Whoa. Okay. I'm just going to use like some basic things you can get pretty much anywhere in the world, but I don't know. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Color Appeal Chrome Shine in 169 CPS Sparkle. Kind of a goldy shimmer, and a gold eyeliner from The Body Shop. I think it's 01. Yeah. I'm going to use the brown eyeliner from H&M in chocolate. Sounds nice. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so first thing I do when I do my makeup is to like fill a base. I add some extra foundation in the shape concealer. You can use any concealer. I use my cover stick from Swedish Pharmacy. This makes a great primer if you can't afford one, which I can't, or I don't think it's necessary. You can just use like lip balm, because that really highlights the color. You can use like pink and stuff. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to take my line definer from Maybelline New York in Black Onyx. And just take off the old piece. And then I will do this before I add my real eyeliner. Because I think it gives a really nice base. And you know where not to add so much eyeshadow. I'm going to do like a little bit below. Well, I like to just blend it out. Yeah, okay. Eyeshadow. Now, my trick, you can either use like a really hard brush. First I'm gonna take this brush from H&M, powder brush.